In this video, I'm going to look at the different optimization options available within Voyage Optimization X. As you can see here, I'm partway through planning and optimizing a voyage. And when you have entered your estimated time of departure and optionally your estimated time of arrival, you get to this screen. If you're importing from an RTZ file from your ECDIS, you can also have the option to import any predefined leg speeds or maximum speeds that are attributed to any leg. Now this is useful if there's a speed limit in any particular area, that they can then be set in the ECDIS file and then imported into here. These limits are then taken into account for the different optimizations. So if a leg speed has been imported, it won't be overwritten by meetATA, and any maximum speeds will also be used as constraints within meetATA. So what does meetATA do? If you've entered an estimated time of departure and an estimated time of arrival, then you can use this option. And what the system will do is, taking into account the vessel's minimum and maximum speeds and any maximum speed you've imported, it will try and maximize the leg speeds to minimize fuel usage. Now, it also takes into account wind and wave conditions. So if you have favourable wind and wave conditions, then the optimizer will speed the vessel up so that you take maximum advantage of the good weather conditions. If there's adverse weather conditions, the system will slow the vessel down so that you're not burning excess fuel pushing against adverse weather conditions when you don't need to in order to reach your destination for the estimated time of arrival. So the meetATA algorithm will take a few minutes to calculate this once you've clicked calculate, because it has got some tricky calculations to do. So this one will take longer than all of the others. Moving on to the other options on this screen, if you pick fixed speed, now this would be in the scenario where you have a contract that says you will leave at a particular time and you will travel at 15 knots the whole way until you arrive at your destination. So for these options, you don't actually need to enter an estimated time of arrival because you're going to travel at fixed speed after you leave and you will arrive when you arrive. So fixed speed, in this case, I could enter 15, click next, and then all of my waypoints will be set with leg speed 15. So it's a very quick way to just set fixed speed for all your waypoints. So vessel eco speed, this is taken from the vessel's parameters. So where the vessel has been rated that its most efficient speed is, in this case 17 knots, I can pick this, click next, and now all the waypoints will be set to 17. And you can see in here that my vessel's minimum speed is 12 and my maximum speed is 22. And then manual speed entry. This is for a scenario where you want to take exact control over every leg and set all the speeds manually. So if I click next here, all the leg speeds are blank, ready for you to fill them in manually. And at any point within the waypoints table, if you do fill in a value into leg speed manually, then this will mean that any other settings that you pick, those waypoint speeds that you've entered manually will not be overwritten, whether you enter it via vessel eco speed, fixed speed, or meetATA. So any manual speeds you enter will not be overwritten by the optimizers. Okay, that concludes the options available in Voyage Optimization X. See you in the next video.